hato pila sngewbha ka jingstat ke bapio na school ne pidang sngudon kam ban tip khambha shishu ya ka core computer wan ha AICS lani Advanced Institute of Computer Science kabadon ha paham sim Nongpoh mar persya bat ke school Alpha Higher Secondary School nyidon sibun kir kom hikai ban tip ya ka computer bantip khambnia shishu phun hau number pra line nyo ar nyo sau ar nrio nyo lani praiwe line ar not sau pra san sau wan mapi hikai mangi banang ban start mapi ban sengan galawai jong gari om tangkata henrengi diru ya ki laptop bat ki komputer ki barim lani ki all stock hagador ke babit bat ki mar ki badang tip top. Kum ka jing pensilur shishu ya ki samla pule kathany badru ka jing kentu ya ki long din ban le bha ban pule bha ha ki jing pule joki ka NPP block committee jong ka Jirang constituency Ryngkat UMLA kathany ba sustenance sotun uba badru kum chief whip jong ka sarkar jilla ha ka arpoi trek unailur arjar arpsau kila panlong ya ka jing Pynkupburom ya ki nyo pusan ngut ki khana pule ki bala pas bha ban wan chakmat ha ka kerdan pule SSLC jong stem arjar arpsau na ki school baper ki bahap apo ka Jirang constituency badingin ki jing Pynkupburom la penlong ha CTI auditorium umper ha khat armer bernihat Bhoi district ha ki ngi Pynkupburom lawan bandon Ryngkat uba sustenance sotun UMLA jong Jirang constituency kumukongsan ha ka jing don lang jong ba Victor Rani du MDC jong Jirang constituency wa Abilash Baranwal deputy commissioner ke Bhoi district upastor koridor swear ubari principal jong ka Mount Zion Academy secondary school ke Sister Molly Thomas beri principal jong Savio Higher Secondary School bari dua ki principal ki Nonghikai negi school beper ki Senglong kemi ki kena school lembat kiwe hagari sngila yo ru banai da ka khusnam ga bakerpang syaka ru phimon makri ka kena ka badang pule ha ka class 9 jong school Mount Zion Academy ka bala syajiet ban lejmi khmat ya ka Bhoi district syaka pre rana program Havadnagar Ahmedabad Gujarat nang tala airu ya ka khusnam Shau Krishna Koirala balayo hadu khandai Bhoi 0.100% na Little Star Higher Secondary School khandai mer bari dua Bhoi district bad yo somla joni nong room ubala job na ka Muay Thai World Championship Indonesia arjar arpulai bad MMA fight Guwahati arjar arpusau ki nongkran habakren gelapan pau ya ke jing song sorong bad ke jing kemen ya ke jing la jong ki khana pule ki balawan sakmat Ryngkat ki percentage ki bahe na ki school baper ki badan hapo ke ne ke constituency kabala penlong yau nong mi khmat ketika thany ban sam khusnam halor ke jingla jong ki khana pule ban wan sakmat man lausnem kabala miru ke jingla jong ki ban Minot ha ka pule kot bat khrekot shushu kila konturu bakum ki khana school ke bala sya Pynkupburom ha te sngi bakim de ban sedang lane kut tang ha ke jengyo ya ka khusnam ha ke sngi henry ki de ban Minot shushu nang ne sakmat syaki wei pat ki kerdan pule ki thmu ban pule bat sisin ke sngi na ke ne ka thany kin mi ki doktor ki engineer lembat kiwe ki ban long ki klor bat ki ban pen mentoy ya ka dong mat ka thany
the students is to encourage the school-going students for your bright future. We want to uplift education, and what if we can think that this program, felicitation program, it's just a small idea, but it can encourage or put more efforts on the students who are aiming for a higher education. Education is the only way that we can create a better world. So, my dear students, those who have recently passed and those who have come out with flying colors, I would like to congratulate you, and especially the 17th position, this the Shri Krishna Koirala, and all the students who have come out with flying colors. My dear students, this is the beginning of your journey. You should make more and more efforts, study hard, work hard, for a better future. The future is yours. If you yourself, you can put more efforts, and we have very high hope from me as the local MLA, the principal, the headmaster, headmistress of your schools, the teachers, parents, who have always been your guidance. And remember, when you go for your higher studies, you should always remember that you have to put more efforts how to make your aim come true. As a representative or as the local MLA of 10 Jirang constituency, I always have a dream that my constituency will be the constituency which we can see the progress of Jirang constituency, which will match with any other developed constituencies. So, any departments, be it education, be it agriculture, be it health, or any other departments, we want to uplift our constituency. We know that uplifting the constituency, we need a very, very strong collaboration, be it from the youth, be it from the students' community, be it from the headmen, the village elders, the women's community, different groups, societies, as we are here in the constituency, mixed with different ethnic groups. We want a joining hands together. Be it different NGOs, let's come together to work for the betterment of our constituency. Congratulations once again to all the students, and I would like to request all the school principals, the headmaster, the headmistress, the teachers of each school within my constituency, the students' community. We want such facilitation program to be in a more or broader good idea to work out. So I would like to request and welcome your ideas so that we can make the program a better one, or we can make the students' community feel more and more confident in building up their own careers. The idea of our Deputy Commissioner to have 2 tests in a week. Thank you so much, our DC sir. The idea to have 2 tests in a week for the class 10 students, it will build up your confidence and will make you study harder and harder. So be more competitive and work hard and make sure that your future is bright. We want to see more and more doctors. We want to see more and more engineers. We want to see more and more students grow up and come up with.
First of all, congratulations. Congratulations for clearing your first major examination with flying colors. Class 10 examination is the foundation over which you will be building your academic career, over which you will be building your career, which is based out of education. You guys are active, not sleepy yet? Yes or no? No. Shall So, there is a saying. There is a saying that it's not the end. It's not even the beginning of the end. If anything, it is the end of a beginning. So many of you would have been told by your parents, by your teachers, that please work hard, make sure that your class 10th examination goes well, and then life is set for you. But it is only the first examination, first major examination that you have gone through. The way you have worked hard, the way you have ensured that nothing comes in the way of your success, you have to keep the same spirit for at least 5 to 6 years more. You will go into your class 12th, you will do your graduation. Many of you will go on to do post-graduation, even doctorates. Always remember this day. How you felt today, how proud you felt about yourself, how proud your parents felt about yourself, how proud your teachers felt about yourself, your local MLA, and all the district administration felt about you. Always remember this day, because it will keep you inspired to do well even in future examination. Why I believe that education is important is because you can ask your teachers, you can ask your parents. In fact, this is not something which is hard to understand also. Let's say today there is a robbery in a house, right? They can take away the money, right? So if a person has, let's say, earned money, that still can be taken away from him or her. But education is something that will stay with you lifelong, and nobody can take it away from you. It's one wealth. Education and your learnings are one wealth that will stay with you for your entire life. And no matter what the situation, even if, let's say, the luck is not favoring you, even if you are not in a fortunate circumstance, still, at all times, the education that you have earned through your life will be there with you. The way India is moving ahead, education is going to become one of the chief differentiator whether you are able to uplift your life or not. It will be the key differentiator. As I said, that class 10th is the examination. That's the very first major hurdle that you have had to cross. You have come out of flying colors. So again, congratulations to you, but keep this spirit high, maintain the same zest, and keep working hard to ensure that all the other examinations you pass with sngewbha flying colors. I have 2-3 small messages which I have noted down just in case I forget. This is something which is particularly true about your generation. It was not something which was present with us, sir. That is the presence of a smartphone. That is the presence of, so even while I was growing up, I did my class 10 back in 2005. So at that time we did not have mobiles. Or even if we had mobiles, we did not have smartphones in our hand. So smartphones, sir, it's an excellent tool which, if you can master it, if you are the master of it, if you are the one controlling it, you have the entire world in your hand. But if you allow the smartphone to control you through mindless scrolling of YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, then at the end of it, you are only going to lose time. Simultaneously, today, post-corona, post-COVID, everything almost has moved online. Everything. So today, if you want to learn anything, geographical disability is not something that can stop you. It's only your lack of imagination which will stop you. So my message is that please don't allow the smartphone to be a distraction in your life. Control it. Nobody is asking you to not make a social media profile, but then it should not control you. It should not become the thing that will keep you away from bigger priorities of life, like education, like your parents, like your friends, like your relatives, like the other duties handed over to you by your parents. So, simultaneously, as we are moving towards a world in which artificial intelligence, how many of you have heard about ChatGPT? How many of you have raised your hand properly? ChatGPT. So I believe that teachers and the principals over here must have heard about it, right? So we are entering into a world of artificial intelligence, where the artificial intelligence is literally doing everything that we can, at least every white collar job, whether it is creating images, whether it is writing poems, whether it is writing scripts, stories, whether it is doing the calculation. All you need to do is just type one simple message on ChatGPT. Why is this important? Is because if you want to take up a job which will be rewarding, which will give you a good lifestyle, which will give you sufficient earnings and satisfaction. You need to keep yourself updated, you need to keep learning and remain abreast of what is happening across the world. Use these tools to enhance your knowledge and understand that the world is going to be even more difficult. So your talents, your skills, they also have to be similarly updated, and hence you have to work even harder than you would have had to do, let's say, 10 years back. So use mobile to good effect. That's my second message. And my third message is that whatever you do your best. Deep down in our heart, we always know whether we are doing whatever we can do to perform.
Here to celebrate the achievement of our shining stars, the meritorious students who have worked tirelessly to excel in academic and beyond. Dear students, your hard work, dedication and perseverance have earned you this recognition. You have made your families, teachers and yourself proud. Congratulations to all of you. A special congratulations to Krishna, the 17th rank holder. We are proud of you. As you have stand here today, remember that success is not a destination, but a journey. Your achievements are not a testimony to your intelligence, but also to your character. Your success is not solely yours, but also a reflection of your teachers and friends and well-wishers. Be widely likable. You have demonstrated resilience in the face of challenges, discipline in your studies and habits, passion for learning and growth, commitment to excellence. These qualities will serve you well beyond your school walls. As you move forward, remember that learning is lifelong journey, not limited to the classroom. Your potential is not limitless, and your impact can be immense. You have the power to shape your own destiny, as we have in the world of digital world handled with care. As you strive for great heights, stay humble and grounded.
Pynkupburom projector ban peni film ne Pynkupburom projector nak banta ki awareness program jompi phun singi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hndru yue ar nyau lai.